Hey guys, shaved off all the scruff today. Uh, just kind of had a little bit of a shop cleanup day, and I got rid of a bunch of inventory, trying to get my shop back here into a semblance of order. So today I have just a couple miscellaneous videos for you, and then I show you how to build my information packet holders and some tips on how to make company stickers on the cheap, because I'm all about being cheap. So stay tuned. Good morning, guys. Seton HVAC here. So I have Gensco coming today. I'm not going back to that relocation job today, if I can speak. I'm still kind of waking up. I got cleanup to do here, and I have Gensco coming to take a lot of this overstock. So I got to separate my Johnstone and Gensco parts, and he's usually comes around town around 11 or 12, so I'm going to get this all prepped for him and get all my returns together. You see, I got a lot of stuff that I just don't need. I can get rid of some of that stuff. I mean, my shop's a freaking mess. I've been so busy out in the field, so I'm gonna put together a bunch of stuff for them to take, clear out my area here. There's my garbage box from that two-zone Mitsu that I finished up the other day. But yeah, I get rid of some trash too. So I'm gonna do some cleanup stuff, and then I'll probably do a couple instructional videos for you today. I might do some flaring stuff. I can't seem to find my darn deburring tool though, but we can do it without that. I'll just note to you guys what you should do. But yeah, look at this mess. I'm gonna get my drop cloths all shooken out and straightened up, and get some stuff cleaned up. You can see I got a mess going on here. So I hate when it gets like this, but that's the price of being busy, and that's a good thing. That means I'm making money and being productive, getting people their cooling this time of year. So yeah, let's clean this stuff up. Hopefully they they don't screw me on my returns. I know a lot of the time I'm gonna have to write it down, I think, because I don't really trust those guys in the shop. I hate to say it. If I don't write it down, then, well, I don't know. Maybe they are trustworthy about it, but they gave me some return slips and stuff, but I don't have time to write down every part number for all this stuff. I'm just going to give it back to them, and I might write down how many of each thing I give them, and then I'll add it up and make sure that it jives. And I know I already have some merchant credit there, so what I'm going to tell them to do is compile this, add it to the other one, and just mail me a check. And we'll go from there. So that's what I'm going to do today. Like I said, I might try to do a tutorial video for you too on some stuff, something to do. But I got to get this shop cleaned up. The reason why I'm not going out to that relocation job is I need to get word from the customer's brother on where that return is going to go, because I'm not going to go out there just to cut a plenum and put a cap on and then maybe insulate a little bit of pipe. I'll have my brother's help tomorrow. We get that return figured out, and we can go out and bust out most of it. So all the hard stuff's pretty much done except for that return air. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit, and probably once I get this stuff organized, I'll show you what I got for returns, and then we'll do some tutorial stuff to fill out the day. All right, guys, this isn't even all of it. I wrote down every single piece that I've taken out here on a piece of paper, so when they give me my returns, it's going to be accurate. All the pipe and everything. I still got some more stuff to bring out here, but yeah, this is what thinning out the herd looks like. A lot of work, and I'm sure his eyes are going to bulge out of his head when he pulls up, but hey, this is part of business. If they want to sell me all this stuff, they got to take it back when I have overstock. So this is basically 4 to 5 years worth of overstock here, stuff that I've held on to. So yeah, let's keep cleaning up, get the shop cleaned up, then I can do some tutorials, try some flaring today. All right, guys, it's looking better. Look at that, night and day, huh? Got her smooth. I actually have some floor space here, and I can actually play my darts. Yeah, play my darts right there. Heck yeah, it's looking a lot better. Whew. Now I just got to work on the table there, get it all cleaned up so I can do some training for you. Yeah, I'm liking it. Okay guys, I'm going to do something a little different today. I'm going to show you how to make these information packet holders that you mount on your completed systems. I just kind of figured out how to do this by myself. See, it's got a nice hem on top, so it's not sharp on the top. Show you how to bend this over and bend your screwing flange here. You know, I usually put a couple screws on each side. You know, this just goes on the side of like your air handler, your furnace. You can even screw it to the wall next to the furnace. It's a good place to keep all the manuals, all the operating manuals, thermostat books, etc. After you complete a system. So let me show you how we do this. Okay, guys, here's the template that I use to make these. So you notice, I believe I make these an 1.5 inches and then 3/8, 1.5 inches, then 3/8, 1.5 inches, 3/8, and then just my 3/8 to bend over for the top. I just keep this hung up in my shop. I'm going to go ahead and trace this out, and then I'm going to show you how we bend this up. It's a real handy because, you know, you just hand your all your paperwork to somebody and they walk away with it. It's nice to have it right next to your equipment, or just, you know, instead of laying it right next to the equipment. It makes it really nice, and it kind of dresses up your job. As you can see, you can put your sticker on it, and just a good way to finish it off. So let's trace this, and I'll show you what it looks like. I'm going to draw the lines in with a Sharpie so you can see where my bends are and everything. Okay, I got it all traced out, and I also drew in all my lines for you. So if you wanted to snapshot a picture of this, you'll have the template and you can make these. Once I'm done with this little short clip, I'm going to strap on my camera harness, and I'm going to show you how to fold it up. But you can see, actually I forgot one dimension there. Hold on one second. Alright guys, so the first thing we do is go over to the brake and do our, here, let me expand that out. I don't know why it was so close. First thing we're going to do is go over and get our hem. This is going to hem down, and then we're going to bend our 3 sides. Let me show you what that looks like. So let's go over to the brake. And first thing you want to do is stick that 3/8 in there, like so. Get it as clean, make it as clean as you can. And then we're going to bend that up, like so. And then we're going to take it back down, and then we're going to bend that down, like so. And then what you want to do is you want to start, so your last side is going to be the last one you do. So you always start it with the hem off your left. And what you're going to do is just, that's why you draw the lines on there. Got your one line there. Bend that up just to a 90 degree, as you can see. Then you're going to take your next side, and then maybe just push that back a little bit so it doesn't hit your brake. And you're going to bend that as far as you can. And now now it has a memory, so you can just hand bend the rest of that. And then same with your third side here. If you had a finger brake, you could do it all 90 degree because it would clear, but I don't have one, so. And you can do this with a bar fold too. You can make these with just a bar fold, but I got my brake here, so why not use it, huh? Okay, so let's go back over to the... So yeah, so you see how this one's 90, but I got to bend these up. So you can just hand form it. It's fine. Not going to hurt anything. Get that bent up. Get that bent up like so. Then what you're going to do, you can see it's already taking its shape here. And there's your hem. So then what you're going to do is take your trusty brake, or trusty bar fold, I should say, and you're just going to, I don't know if I can do this with it and show you on the camera here. Yeah, so you got your bar fold on that 3/8, and then you're just going to bend your 3 sides so they're 90 degree there. I wish I could zoom the camera out a little further, but I can't. It's the furthest out it goes in this mode. There. You get the gist of it though, I'm sure. And then your last side. Wasn't on there. Damn it. Okay, now I'm on there. Get it out. Now you can see what that looks like, right? So 3/8, 3/8, 3/8. You know, you pop a couple screws there, a couple screws there, a couple screws there. Put your sticker on it. Pretty cool, huh? Fit all your paperwork in there, even warranty stuff. You know, if you got a permit card, you can leave it in there after it's inspected, whatever, so the customer knows that it was inspected, etc. So, yeah, like I said, it's a shop day. I was cleaning up, and I figured I would show you a couple things. I don't have all my tools. I left a lot of my tools on my brother's truck. You can see my mess out here. He's still, the Gensko should be here probably in about 20 minutes or so to get all that stuff, and then I can continue on cleaning up. But yeah, if you guys have any questions about how to build these, let me know. Like I said, you can make these bends with a bar fold too. You could do the whole thing with a bar fold. So if you just want to fab one on site or something, you can. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see if I got anything else to show you today. If not, this will be the end of the video for today. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys how I make my stickers for the packet holders too, or just stickers in general. It works really well. So there's a place, it's called Label Choice out of Idaho. So what they do, you just search them online. I think I got these off of Amazon, but it comes in a box of 6 of these, and I mean, look how many stickers you got. There's 2 to a page here, so very reasonable. I think I paid maybe $40 for this whole thing. And you know, what I did was I just went on go on Avery.com, and you can make you can just design your own stickers, 2 to a page. And what did I do with the finished? What did I do with that sucker? Oh, there it is. So it makes stickers about that size, you know, 2 to a page. I just designed these myself a long time ago. These are actually my old stickers. I made some new ones now, but yeah, 2 to a page, and I don't know how many you'd be able to make with all this, thousands of them for minimal. You know, I'm all about being cheap when it comes to stuff like this, because really you just need your information on there and for a way for people to reach you. So really cool. Again, it's called Label Choice. You can find them on Amazon. And yeah, go on Avery.com. That's Avery. You know, they're the same company that sells like the little packets of business cards and stuff at Staples, or even Walmart has them. So yeah, if you want a simple way to make your stickers, go on Avery.com. You know, there'll be a template there it'll have 2 to a page, and then you just use this sticker paper in your printer. Another thing too is my printer, I got tired of buying ink, is get the ones that has those liquid bottles. I've been using mine now for like a year, and it's only like 1/10 of the way down. So, and I print stuff all the time. So yeah, there's some other good ideas for you guys. You know, it's not all about just building sheet metal stuff and HVAC stuff. I want to show you business stuff too. So if you got any question about any of this, how to find any of this stuff, let me know, and I will direct you to the right place. Okay, that should do it for today. So I got the shop clean up, and you know, I showed you how to make my packet holders and how to do pretty economical stickers too. So let me know if you like the content, and I will see you tomorrow if I don't come up with anything else. Who knows, I might. See you guys.